Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you're always on the hunt for that perfect gift. Something that's not just a thing, but an actual experience. Well, today I've got something special for you. We're diving deep into the world of three-dimensional wooden puzzles to find the absolute best, most mind-blowing options for 2025. These aren't your grandma's jigsaw puzzles. These are intricate mechanical marvels that you build yourself. So if you're looking for a gift that's guaranteed to impress, you've come to the right place. We're going to explore 4 incredible kits that are perfect for adults, teens, or really anyone who loves a good challenge. We'll look at a working pinball machine, a fantasy airship that lights up, a fully functional astronomical clock, and a scale model motorcycle that actually moves. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Alright, first up we have the ROKR Miniature Pinball Machine, and when I say pinball machine, I mean a real working pinball machine that you build from laser-cut wood pieces. The moment I saw this, the 10-year-old in me freaked out. This isn't just a static model, it's a fully interactive game. You've got flippers, bumpers, and multiple scoring tracks. It even has electronic scoring sounds and flashing LED lights that make it feel like you've shrunk a classic arcade cabinet down to tabletop size. The assembly process itself is a major part of the fun. The kit claims about a 12-hour build time, and I'd say that's pretty accurate if you're focused. It's a fantastic exercise in following detailed instructions and seeing how complex mechanisms come together. You're not just snapping pieces into place, you're building the actual guts of the game. You connect the wiring for the lights and scoreboard, you assemble the launcher, and you rig the flippers. It's an incredible way to develop your manual skills and test your patience in the best way possible. What's truly amazing is watching it all come to life. After hours of careful work, you drop that little steel ball in for the first time, pull back the plunger, and suddenly, you're not just a builder, you're a player. The tactile feedback, the dings and chimes, the frantic flashing lights, it's so rewarding. Next, we're taking to the skies with the FUNPOLA LED 3-dimensional wood puzzle fantasy airship. If the pinball machine was all about interactive fun, this one is about pure, jaw-dropping aesthetics. This is for the dreamers, the fantasy lovers, and anyone who appreciates incredible craftsmanship. The design is pure steampunk fantasy. It looks like something straight out of a video game or a classic Jules Verne novel. It has intricate rigging, a massive balloon structure, propellers, and a detailed ship's hull. It's a piece of art that you get to construct. What truly sets this model apart and takes it to a whole other level is the integrated LED lighting system. The kit comes with light strings that you weave throughout the airship's structure. When you turn it on, the entire model glows with this enchanting magical light. There are even different modes: a steady glow, a slow pulse, a twinkling effect, that let you set the mood. In a dark room, it is absolutely mesmerizing. It transforms from a cool model into a stunning decorative lamp that becomes the focal point of any space. Now, don't let its beauty fool you. This is a challenging and rewarding DIY experience. The pieces are high-quality, laser-cut plywood that fit together with remarkable precision, but there are a lot of them. You'll be carefully assembling the delicate framework, threading the lights, and attaching all the tiny detailed components. As a gift, the fantasy airship is perfect for someone with a creative spirit. It's more than just a model. It's a crafting journey that results in a beautiful, personalized piece of home decor. It speaks to a love of adventure and imagination, making it a thoughtful and truly unique present. Okay, prepare to have your mind blown. This is the Astronomer Table Clock from UGEARS, and it is a masterpiece of mechanical engineering. This isn't just a clock-shaped puzzle. It is a real, working pendulum clock that you build entirely out of wood. There are no batteries, no electronics, just the magic of physics, gravity, and ingenious design. The centerpiece is this mesmerizing tourbillon mechanism, a rotating cage that contains the escapement and balance wheel. Watching it spin is hypnotic, and it's a feature you'd normally find in luxury watches costing thousands of dollars. One of the most incredible things about UGEARS models, and this one in particular, is that the assembly requires no glue or special tools. Everything is engineered to snap-fit together perfectly. The kit comes with beautifully illustrated, step-by-step instructions that guide you through assembling hundreds of gears, levers, and linkages. You literally build the entire clockwork mechanism from the ground up. It's like a 3-dimensional lesson in classical mechanics. As you fit each gear into place, you start to understand how the whole system works together to track the passage of time. Once assembled, it's not just a static model. You wind it up, and it comes to life. The pendulum swings with a steady, calming rhythm, and the hands for the hours, minutes, and seconds begin to move. It's a fully functional timepiece that will run for several hours on a single wind. This is the ultimate gift for the tinkerer, the engineer, the family that loves to build together, or anyone who appreciates clever design. It's an engaging and educational family project that can span several evenings, creating lasting memories. When you're done, you have a beautiful, functional clock that you built with your own hands. Last but certainly not least, for all the gearheads and lovers of classic design, we have the ROKR 1:8 scale motorcycle model. This thing is just pure, unfiltered cool. From the moment you open the box, you can tell this isn't just a toy, it's a detailed replica that pays homage to the spirit of the open road. What makes this model so satisfying to build is the level of realistic mechanical detail. You're not just building a shell, you're assembling a working machine. The kit features a spring shock absorber for the rear wheel, the front wheels are steerable using the handlebars, and best of all, the engine's pistons actually move when the wheels turn. And here's the kicker. It's not just a static model. This motorcycle comes with a wind-up spring motor. You crank it up, let it go, and the bike actually takes off, cruising across the floor for a surprising distance. Seeing something you built from flat sheets of wood power itself across the room is an awesome moment. This motorcycle kit is an absolutely fantastic gift for adults, teens, and collectors alike. For a motorcycle enthusiast, it's a chance to build a beautiful tribute to their passion. For a young engineer, it's a hands-on lesson in mechanics and motion. The finished product has such a striking appearance that it's guaranteed to get attention. And there you have it, 4 of the most incredible 3-dimensional wooden puzzles you can get your hands on for 2025. From a fully playable pinball machine to a working clock, these kits are so much more than just puzzles. They are experiences in a box. Each one offers a unique journey of creation, resulting in something you can be genuinely proud of. Whether you're buying for a friend, a family member, or just treating yourself to an awesome project, you really can't go wrong with any of these. They challenge your mind, test your skills, and leave you with a fantastic piece of interactive art. I hope this deep dive gave you some serious gift inspiration. If you want to take a closer look at any of the puzzles we featured today, I've put links to everything down in the description below. Go check them out and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more gift guides and cool project breakdowns like this, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Until next time, stay curious and happy building.